everyone.
Hi everyone, this is Tyler and we're doing Comfort Cooking with Tyler. So tonight we are making
Macaroni.
good old KD, a staple of my youth.
Yeah, a yummy concoction here.
And a yummy concoction and
Macaroni.
let's make our macaroni and
Let's
cheese.
start.
Okay, but the first step is we got to get a pot with hot salted water. And what you see in front of you here are my tacos because I'm having tacos too.
yeah.
So let's move this out of the way over here.
Yep, we have, no, keep it here.
Oh, you want to keep it here? Okay.
Yep, we have some cheese, some tomatoes, and some lettuce, and some lime.
And lime. So first step is we're going to get a salted pot of water. So we have our water and we just have to put it on the stove and turn it on. So we're going to turn it on to high heat. And what do we know about stoves?
It can be burning hot.
They can be burning hot, so you should ask an adult to help you. We got to get some salt. Get a little bit of salt, and sometimes I like to just put a little bit in. I don't like too salty pasta because it's kind of gross.
Not too
So we
much.
put a little bit in our hand.
Give me a pinch.
Tyler wants a pinch, so Tyler gets a pinch, and he's gonna put it in the pot. Throw it in the pot. Good job.
In the macaroni.
We'll open the mac and cheese, but we're not gonna put it in until the water is bubbling. Okay? Show them what a little. Let's show them what a little noodle looks like. So this is what a little tiny.
They can't see it.
Oh, they can't see it? Okay. Well, you're not supposed to put it in yet. You're supposed to wait till it's boiling. You know what, Tyler? It's great to experiment with food, but when it comes to KD, I think I know what I'm doing.
Yes, you do.
I do. So in the meantime, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a taco. I'm gonna, oop, ow.
Ouch.
I almost hurt myself.
Be careful with the knife.
Yeah, you gotta be so careful because the knife is very sharp.
It's a very sharp
So
object.
what do we know about knives?
It's a very sharp object.
Should we do a safety lesson while we're waiting?
Mm-mm.
Do you want to talk about safety with the friends?
No.
Okay. So
Wait.
tacos are really quite simple. You just brown your meats, you put in your sauce. Tyler likes to eat all the cheddar. So while I'm fixing my taco, let's look at our water is boiled. So I think that means that it's time.
To put the macaroni in.
Yeah, hold on, let me supervise. Okay, so we're gonna take the box and put the macaroni in the box, in the water. So then we're gonna do that and then we're gonna just give it a little stir.
I have one more noodle.
Oh, a noodle fell out of the box. Put it in, good job. So then we gotta wait 7 minutes. Gotta make sure that the pasta doesn't stick together.
Let me do it.
Okay, Tyler, whoa. This is a mummy part, okay? And in the meantime, it looks like I'm running out of cheese. Because somebody's eating all my cheese.
Shred some more.
I guess I gotta shred some more cheddar.
Yeah, shred some more.
Okay, it's almost done, okay? We're gonna give it about 2 more minutes, folks.
Focus.
2 more minutes. All right. That's good. No, leave it. And then we gotta get our strainer ready because eventually we're gonna have to dump all the water out. Got a nice bubbling pot of water. Now we get the butter.
Now we get our fresh butter.
Get our butter and our milk. It's a left-wing conspiracy. Oh my god!
No.
Okay, where's the spoon? Tyler.
Ow.
Okay, you need to. So, safety tip: if you're sitting on the counter and you're getting down, don't hit your head on the floor. Now, next step is we get our cheese.
Yeah, let me do it.
Someone feels very upset, so he wants to put the cheese in himself. So we gotta make sure it's all shaken good so that none of the cheese flies out. You okay, bud? Oh, hold on. Now we take it.
I want my juice.
Put the cheese in the pot. We're gonna eat our mac and cheese now and have our milk, and we'll see you all next time.
Okay.
Bye.